Here's what we are seeing on the most recent satellite picture. Quite a bit of cloud over the eastern parts of Mpumalanga and the Limpopo province. We currently have cloud-free skies for the bulk of South Africa, but not so for the western areas, where we are already seeing lots of rain-bearing clouds over the western areas of the northern and western Cape, already giving us light rain and drizzle over these parts of the country. Now, that's ahead of this cold front that is quickly edging towards the western parts of South Africa. Now, here's what is going to be happening for Cape Town as that cold front edges ever closer. We can be seeing more and more clouds creeping into the mother city and rainfall intensifying around 11 o'clock this morning. Then as we head towards the late afternoon hours, things are going to kind of dry off for Cape Town, and daytime temperatures will warm up to around 23 degrees, and we're expecting a dry evening for the mother city. Now, here's a quick overview of what you can expect for the rest of South Africa. We are going to be seeing light rain and drizzle for a good part of your Friday morning over the western areas of the northern and western Cape. Then as this cold front moves through, the rainfall is going to intensify over these areas. Isolated rain showers as well for parts of the eastern Cape, and late afternoon isolated thundershowers for parts of KwaZulu-Natal. It will be pretty unsettled for the northeastern areas, including Gauteng, the eastern areas of the northwest and the Free State. Now, we have a warning in place for high fire danger conditions for your Friday over much of the northern Cape, as well as the western areas of the Free State and the northwest, and also over the northeastern sections of the Eastern Cape. Now, here's taking it closer to your part of the country. We are going to be seeing isolated thundershowers this afternoon for much of northeastern South Africa. Partly cloud and dry, however, for Mahikeng, warming to around 37 degrees. A high of 37 is also forecast for Tawazimbi. Pretoria should make it to 35 degrees this afternoon. It will also be dry around Mbombela. We are also going to see thundershowers over parts of the Eastern Cape. It will be partly cloudy for KwaZulu-Natal with very isolated showers later on this afternoon. Sizzling hot in most areas for the province. Ladysmith shooting to around 39 degrees this afternoon. It's going to be largely dry for Durban and Richards Bay, with that small chance of showers later on this afternoon, but we will see isolated rain and thundershowers for the Eastern Cape coastal areas, where warm afternoon temperatures are forecast in places. Strong winds around Port Elizabeth reaching up to 45 kilometers per hour. We are also expecting isolated rain and thundershowers for parts of the Southern Cape areas and also over the western sections of the Western Cape. Worcester should warm to around 24 degrees. Light rain is also possible for parts of the South Coast, where highs in the lower 20s are expected. We are expecting similar weather and temperatures for the southwest coastline, and it's going to be rather breezy for these coastal areas with fresh to strong southwesterlies, and swell heights of the south coast should reach around 2 meters this afternoon, with the swell coming from a southeasterly direction. Now, in the northern Cape, we are going to be seeing lots of sunshine and hot afternoon temperatures, thermometers hitting the 40-degree mark around Kimberley. It's going to be partly cloudy to cloud over the west coast, with rainy weather expected for these parts of the country, including Cape Town, where a high of 23 is expected, like we saw earlier. And we're expecting swell heights of the west coast to reach around 2.5 meters, with the swell coming from the southwest, and the high tide comes in at around 1 p.m. this afternoon. Now, let's look ahead to your Saturday. It's going to be cloudy and rainy in KwaZulu-Natal with much cooler daytime temperatures. Thundershowers will continue over the northeastern areas. There will be a few sprinkles of rain around East London, Port Elizabeth and George. Mostly sunny and hot, however, for much of western South Africa. However, Cape Town will stay mild with mostly sunny skies. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Back to you.